Hello lovely humans, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Charlie, and I make music and makeup content. A couple quick notes before we get started. One, I'm very sorry for my hair. I just took a shower, and it's kind of a mess. And two, I'm really sorry if there's background noise in this video. It is really, really, really windy out where I live. And my younger sister's bouncing on the trampoline in my yard, so there's kind of a lot of noise outside. I have closed my window, so I hope that helps, but there might be a little bit of noise. So you've seen the thumbnail, you've read the title, well, maybe you haven't done either one of those things, I don't know, but I'm assuming you have, so you probably know that this is going to be a tutorial for the pink and black makeup look I've been doing a bit since I dyed my hair. I think it just goes really nicely with kind of my clothing aesthetic and the color of my hair, and yeah. So first thing first, I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera, and I'm now using like a deep rose shade for my eyebrows instead of brown. It still looks pretty similar, but just a little bit pinker. And that's actually something I would recommend to anyone who's dyed their hair and doesn't want their brows to be like, you know, violently the same color as their hair. Just kind of finding a tone similar to the color of their hair and doing their brows with that can kind of help everything match without having to like dye your eyebrows. And eyebrows are done. Also the lighting changed because I realized I hadn't turned my ring light on. And yeah, I know my eyebrows look whack right now, but they're gonna look alright once I put on my makeup. Alright, so I've just primed my eyelids, and the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a black in the crease. And with this one, I just want to bring that kind of into the corner like that and a little bit onto the lid, but not along the bottom line. In a lot of my looks, I like to blend pretty carefully and make sure everything's kind of where it's supposed to be, but I like this look a little bit messier, so don't worry too much if eyeshadow kind of goes places you don't really intend it to. Okay, so next I take a pink. I'm using the Hot Pink from the James Charles palette, and I just pack that onto the lid. And I really don't worry about the blending on that one at all. Okay, then I take that same pink and just go along right underneath my eye, connecting it to the black and basically all the way to the inner corner. Basically, for this, imagine like super smudged out black emo makeup, but just add pink on the lid and underneath the eye. That's kind of the general shape and vibe I'm going for. And I kind of like to drag the pink eyeshadow under the eye, kind of out, like, so you look like you haven't slept in 200 years. Then, of course, I just do mascara. And for this look, I do it pretty heavy on both top and bottom lashes. And then there's the eye look. I add various things to this look, usually just kind of like pack on a little bit of pink eyeshadow onto the lips, some highlight, but it's a pretty chill look. There's not a lot that really goes into it. I'm guessing this will be a pretty short video. I feel like a Monster High doll. So yeah, pretty short video, pretty simple look, but I saw a couple people kind of asking how I did it, and I just wanted to share. But that is all from me today. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like down below and subscribe to see more of me. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all of which will be linked in the description down below. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!